You can now take any product and drop it into any UGC scene you want using Sora 2 and Flora to create something like this.
And spritz, golden.
1 million elixir, intense, warm, magnetic.
I'm going to show you how to create these scenes in a matter of minutes using Flora, and you're welcome to clone my workflow down below if you want to give this a try yourself. So let's hop into Flora, and this is what the workflow looks like. So you're going to take your product image, and this can either be on a white background or something a little bit more imaginative, depending on whether you have existing images or you want to create something from scratch. The next step is to create a new video node. So you do that by clicking and dragging or hitting V, and then you choose Sora 2 as your model. And here you can choose between 16:9 ratio or 9:16, depending on the format that you want to use. You add in your prompt, and you can get as complex or as simple as you want here. And then you hit generate, and within a few minutes, you'll receive a video with sound and narration if you've prompted it, in a way where you can build out these UGC campaigns in minutes. Now, the outputs are not gonna be perfect every time. You're gonna get some of these, some weird motion. I had a couple of these. It's not gonna be perfect every time. I recommend either re-prompting it to find what you want or breaking it down into simpler scenes where you can get the consistency of, pushing the button or a specific position of how your product should be presented. From here, I take these into Topaz to upscale them so that they're of a higher quality. And then from there, I'll take them into Premiere Pro, edit them, take out any bits that don't make sense or are uncanny. And you can essentially go from idea and product image, whether you use live action or AI generated images, to create UGC content in a matter of minutes. I hope you found this useful. If you want to clone this workflow and give Flora and Sora a try yourself, click the link in the description. And if you want to stay up to date with everything going on in the world of AI creativity, head to escapism.ai and sign up for my free newsletter. Thank you for watching.